Hello guys, this time we're gonna be talking about the past modals. Last time we talked about the modals and you remember that they have different uses. You're gonna see that the past modals are pretty much the same. The only difference is the structure. So let's look at it. We have right here the structure for the modals in past, and it's really easy. You're gonna have the subject plus the modal, may, might, should, can, must, and then have. Remember that because that's going to help us to create the past form of the modal. And then we're going to have the past participle of the verb, which is our third form of the verb, plus the complement. Remember I said have. We are never going to use has. So you cannot say she should has. That's impossible. That's a mistake. We're gonna say she should have. No matter the subject, the auxiliary is all the time have. We're gonna divide the modals in two sessions. We're gonna start with may, might, and could, and we're gonna use it like this. These modals are used to give possible explanations for past events. So remember that they are in the past, not the present, not the future, the past. And these three modals in the past act in the same way. May, might, and could have the same use. So we're gonna see right here. Why was Thomas late to class on Monday? You see, was, that means past. And then I can say, I'm not sure. He might have woken up late. Okay, this is a possibility in the past. And you see I use the modal might. I use have all the time. And then I use my verb in the past participle form. Woken up. Let's see another example. He may have missed the bus, right? So we have again our modal, have, and the verb in past participle. Then we have he could have forgotten to set his alarm clock. As you can see, all of these three things are possibilities, right? And they have the same structure. The subject, I can change it. I can say I, you, we, they. And then our modal, have, and the past participle form of the verb. Let's see another example. I wonder why the teacher wasn't in class on Friday. Again, it's in past. So I'm going to say he may have been sick. Pay attention right here. Been is the past participle form of the verb to be. Or I can say he might have gone rock climbing. Or he might have decided to take a relaxing day off. All of these, again, are possibilities in the past. Now, let's look at another modal. We're going to have must have. Difference from must in the present and in the past is that in the present it is an obligation. In the past, this is not an obligation. In the past, it is really similar to the use of may, might, and could, but it shows more certainty than the others. And we use must have plus the past participle to show a strong probability. Okay? So let's see right here a comparison. I can say, John wasn't in class today. I wonder why. I can say, he could have been sick or he might not have felt well. Both are correct. But then I can say, he must have been sick or he must have not felt well. The structure is the same, but in the second sentences, we are more certain about it. So remember, could, may, and might are four possibilities in the past. And then must is also a possibility, but it is stronger. So remember that. In the case of the negative modals, it's really easy. We have our modal, then plus not have. For example, he may not have gotten up early, or he might not have whatever, or he couldn't have, or he must not have, plus our past participle form of the verb. In the next session, we're going to look at different modals, and we're going to look in depth at negatives and questions. Thank you very much for watching.